Good day all. I'm Austin Onyechi by name. I'm Mrs. Austin Onyechi by name. I'm a pharmacist and also a health medical consultant, Port Harcourt, River State here. So today is an interesting day. I wish you all a happy and blessed Monday. So actually today I have a topic I want to present to you. Is another topic than diabetes mellitus. So what is diabetes? I believe that we all know what diabetes is all about. It actually means when the blood sugar level falls to regulate. So what is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition, is a disease in which the insulin is resistant to blood glucose, in which the blood glucose fails to pass out to the cell. So how does it work? Actually, the insulin is the funnel that transfers blood glucose from our blood to our cell. But in a situation the insulin becomes resistant to the cell, the blood will not be able to move the glucose into our cell, and the cell performs essential role in energy activity in our body. Glucose is the source of energy in our body. So the insulin does a very vital role by converting this glucose into our blood, from our bloodstream to our cell. But when there is a disease of the insulin, when the insulin has contacted some diseases, and as a result of weak or lower immune system and also some abnormal phytonutrients, it can cause insulin breakdown. You can see about 95% of people complaining of, I can't urinate very well, I have consistency of urination, frequency of urination, tiredness, weight loss. All of these are signs of what? Diabetes. Now I want to also throw a light. There are things that can cause this diabetes mellitus. Number one, when you have too weight, overweight can affect the insulin, can cause insulin breakdown. Another factor is family history. If your family is having challenges of diabetes breakdown, it can also affect you as well. Then another one is age too, can contribute to insulin breakdown. Your diet too can also contribute to problem of what? Insulin breakdown, which is what? Diabetes. Now, the cell is an essential element that generates energy to our body system. Now, the insulin utilizes this glucose and convert it, but it's an area where the liver is also weak. You see that it will not be able to convert glucose to glucogen, and at that point in time the person is going to have immune breakdown. There are various sicknesses that is attached to diabetes. Number one, a problem of insulin breakdown, which is diabetes mellitus, is capable of increasing the risk of cataracts, and is also increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is coronary artery disease. Now it's going to also affect the skin by bringing black pigmentation to the skin, and also cause pains all over, joint pains, artery pains, weakness, chronic fatigue and weakness, and loss of control of the bladder. If you find yourself in a situation where you urinate often and on, in the night, at daytime, you often urinate often and on, and you see yourself emaciating and drying, which comes with excess hunger and appetite, always come and check your glucose level. Now here is wonderful product in my hands. Most of you must have using it before. Many of my clients are using it. This is called Phyto Defense. Look at it very properly. Now what is inside this product is a very wonderful product. Here you will see your daily nutrients protection pack, flavonoid complex, carotenoid complex, cruciferous complex. Now, what can this actually contribute to diabetes? Now, this wonderful product have helped so many clients of mine to be free from diabetes within 1 year of being in this particular product. Now, what can phytodefense contribute? In case of diabetes, you have excess of hunger, thirst, dryness, macheting, eye problem, weakness, chronic joint and arthritis. Sometimes your legs swell up. Sometimes your body look pale as if you have shortage of blood. That is anemia. Now, phytodefense, when you use phytodefense, number one, phytodefense regulates your hunger. That is your appetite for food. Phytodefense feeds your insulin and helps it to digest, convert glucose to your cell. Because when the insulin cannot be able to absorb sugar from your bloodstream to the cell that uses it for energy, now you are going to feel chronic weakness, you are going to feel high BP, you are going to feel arthritis, you are going to feel macheting, weight loss and all the rest. And you know that someone having diabetes, you don't eat every diet. Your consumption of carbohydrate is going to reduce, such as heavy starchy food, gari, rice, yam, mesiri, cow milk. All of these things are resistant to diabetes. The more you consume them, the more the risk of diabetes increase in your body. And if you avoid those food too, you are not going to have enough energy, because the body needs glucose to work. Now see what you do. When you get phytodefense today, a sachet of phytodefense is going to take up your body blood glucose for 7 good days. Now, how does it work? When you use one sachet inside, there is sachet inside of phytodefense, it's going to boost out your energy. It's going to increase it's going to repair your immunes, because breakdown of insulin causes immune impairment. It makes your immune system to be very low, and it makes your immune system to be ready to combat any disease, any sickness at all that passes your way. So when you phytodefense, it's going to boost out your body. Your body will come out. It's going to control your taste, the way you hunger for food. It's going to make your body to be very, very clumpy and heady. If you are the type that you are very, very macheted, when you use phytodefense, your body is going to come out, because this is complete food diet that you need to consume as a diabetic patient. So if you know you are suffering from diabetes, come and get this phytodefense. It boosts your immune, it repairs your cell, and it helps the insulin to utilize glucose down to your cell. This is the best you need to eradicate and end diabetes permanently and for all. Like I told you, my client that testified about this product use it for complete 6 months without reducing hand. You are going to testify diabetes free, because when you are taking only diabetes control pills, diabetes such as glucophage, dione, metformin, insulin replacement and all the rest, when you are using them, the period you use them, you start having kidney challenge, you start having liver breakdown, because your liver too contribute to glucose. The liver store glucose for glucogen for some time later when you are not eating or you are fasting. So the liver uses the remaining one that the pancreas have stored and gives you more energy. So when you use phytodefense, you see that you are going to end the menace of diabetes. If your own diabetes is a type that is family inheritance, is from passing from your father to your mother, this is what you need. That is what we call diabetes type, mellitus type 2. Is phytodefense you need. Glucophage, dione, metformin, insulin injection cannot help you to end diabetes. This is what you need. Get it here, get it now. Thank you.